Hey everybody, welcome to my channel, Additional Source Income. Today we're going to go over part 1 of 2 on the topic Make Money Online, Watch YouTube Videos and Get Paid. Make sure to watch until the end as I will be going over how to monetize your YouTube channel, tips for growing your YouTube channel and increasing your earnings, and common challenges and misconceptions about making money on YouTube. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos. Make money online, watch YouTube videos, and get paid. Are you tired of endless scrolling on social media and not getting anything in return? Well, we have good news for you. There's a way to make money online by simply watching YouTube videos. Yes, you heard that right. You can earn some extra cash while binge watching your favorite videos. Understanding the YouTube Partner Program. To start monetizing your YouTube screen time, it's essential to understand the YouTube Partner Program. The program allows content creators to earn money through advertisements displayed on their videos. Once you meet the eligibility criteria, such as having at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months, you can apply to become a YouTube partner. Once accepted into the program, you can start earning revenue from ads that are displayed on your videos. The more views and engagement your videos receive, the higher your potential earnings. It's important to note that YouTube takes a percentage of your revenue generated, but the remaining portion goes to you as the content creator. To maximize your earnings, you can also explore other revenue streams within the YouTube Partner Program, such as channel memberships, merchandise shelf, and super chat. These additional features allow your viewers to support your channel through direct payments, purchases, and subscriptions. How to monetize your YouTube channel. Now that you understand the basics of the YouTube Partner Program, let's dive into the steps to monetize your YouTube channel. The first and most crucial step is to create and upload original content that complies with YouTube's policies and guidelines. This includes avoiding copyrighted material and following community guidelines. Next, you'll need to enable monetization on your YouTube account. This can be done by going to the YouTube Studio, selecting the Monetization tab, and following the instructions to set up an AdSense account. Once your AdSense account is linked, you can start earning money from ads displayed on your videos. To increase your chances of monetization, it's important to focus on creating high-quality and engaging content. This means producing videos that captivate your viewers and keep them coming back for more. Consider your target audience and their interests and aim to provide value through your videos. Creating engaging and monetizable content for YouTube. Creating engaging and monetizable content on YouTube is a combination of understanding your audience, staying consistent, and experimenting with different formats and ideas. Here are a few tips to help you create content that not only entertains but also generates revenue. Identify your niche. Find a specific topic or theme that you're passionate about and that has an audience demand. This will allow you to establish yourself as an authority in that niche and attract dedicated viewers. Research keywords. Leverage tools designed for keyword research to pinpoint frequently used search terms that are directly linked to your specific field. Embed these identified keywords into the titles, descriptions, and tags of your videos. This would heighten their visibility and pull in traffic organically. Plan your content. Create a content calendar to stay organized and consistent with your uploads. This will help you maintain a regular posting schedule, which is crucial for building an engaged audience. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and encourage your viewers to interact with your content. Building a loyal community will not only increase your viewership, but also potentially lead to more revenue through channel memberships and merchandise sales. Experiment with different formats. Don't hesitate to experiment with diverse video styles like instructional guides, personal blogs, or task-based episodes. This will ensure your content remains novel and attractive to a broad viewership. By following these tips and continuously improving your content, you'll increase your chances of attracting a larger audience and earning more money from your YouTube channel. Tips for growing your YouTube channel and increasing your earnings. Growing your YouTube channel requires dedication, consistency, and strategic planning. Here are some tips to help you boost your channel's growth and increase your earnings. Optimize your video titles and thumbnails. Generate engaging headlines that capture interest and pair them with visually appealing thumbnails to encourage audience engagement with your videos. A cleverly crafted and optimized headline-thumbnail duo can greatly boost the click-through rate of your video. Promote your videos on social media. Leverage the power of social media platforms to share your YouTube videos and engage with potential viewers. Utilize hashtags, collaborate with influencers, and participate in relevant online communities to expand your reach. Collaborate with other YouTubers. Working together with fellow content creators in your specific area can introduce your platform to a fresh viewer base and aid in boosting your subscriber count. Seek out chances to join forces on video production, acknowledgements, or combine live streaming sessions to enjoy reciprocal rewards from the follower bases of each party involved. Cross-promote your content. Encourage your viewers to explore more of your content by linking to related videos, creating playlists, and utilizing end screens and cards to promote your other videos. This will increase viewership and potentially lead to more ad revenue. Engage with your audience outside of YouTube. Build a presence on other social media platforms to further connect with your audience and drive traffic to your YouTube channel. Engage in conversations, share behind-the-scenes content, and offer exclusive sneak peeks to keep your audience engaged and eager for more. Remember, growing your YouTube channel takes time and effort. Stay persistent, adapt to changes, and focus on providing value to your audience. With dedication, you'll see your channel and earnings grow over time. Remember to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos from additional source income, money strategies, and much more. Check out my playlist, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.